The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a extreme wind warning for Suwannee County in northern Florida until 10 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:03 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated extreme winds associated with the eye wall of Hurricane Idalia were moving onshore along a line extending from 10 miles southwest of Dowling Park to 8 miles southwest of O'Brien, moving north at 55 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Locations impacted include Live Oak, Suwannee Springs, Wellborn, Dowling Park, O'Brien, McAlpin, Lurville, Newbern, and Houston. Precautionary preparedness actions. Take cover now. Treat these imminent extreme winds as if a tornado was approaching, and move immediately to the safe room in your shelter. Take action now to protect your life. The National Weather Service in Tallahassee has issued a extreme wind warning for north central Taylor County in Big Bend, Florida, Madison County in Big Bend, Florida until 11:15 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:08 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar and surface observations indicated extreme winds associated with the eye wall of Hurricane Idalia were moving onshore 9 miles east of Perry, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. This is an extremely dangerous and life-threatening situation. Locations impacted include Madison, Lee, Lake Bird, Mosley Hall, Hopewell, Cherry Lake, Hamburg, Hanson, Panetta, and Shady Grove. Precautionary preparedness actions. The safest place to be during a major landfalling hurricane is in a reinforced interior room away from windows. Get under a table or other piece of sturdy furniture. Use mattresses, blankets, or pillows to cover your head and body. Remain in place through the passage of these life-threatening conditions.